Big data is growing at an unprecedented rate. Every second, businesses, governments, and individuals generate terabytes of data, from IoT devices, financial transactions, and social media interactions to scientific research and healthcare records. But managing such enormous datasets is no small task. Traditional methods of handling big data are slow, inefficient, and prone to human error. Enter artificial intelligence. AI is revolutionizing how data is collected, processed, stored, and analyzed, making it possible to extract insights and automate decision-making at lightning speed. In this video, we'll explore how AI is transforming big data processing and cleaning, AI-driven data analytics and business intelligence, AI-powered storage optimization, and data retrieval AI in data security and governance. The future of AI-driven big data management. We'll also highlight key players and cutting-edge technologies leading this transformation. Let's dive in. Part 1. How AI is automating big data processing and cleaning. Before data can be useful, it must be cleaned, transformed, and structured. In the past, this required manual effort, sorting through messy records, removing duplicates, and filling missing values. AI has automated this process, significantly reducing time and errors. Key AI technologies in big data processing. AI-powered ETL pipelines. AI automates extract, transform, load, ETL processes, making them 5 to 10x faster than traditional methods. Natural language processing, NLP for unstructured data. AI extracts insights from messy text, emails, and logs. Automated data tagging and classification. AI-powered metadata management enhances searchability and organization. Real-time data processing with AI. AI enables streaming analytics, allowing businesses to act instantly on new information. Key players and cutting-edge technologies. Google Cloud Data Flow plus AI, AI-accelerated ETL pipelines. AWS Glue AI and Amazon Data Wrangler, AI-enhanced data transformation and automation. Databricks AutoML and Delta Lake, AI-powered data lake optimization and structure prediction. Snowflake AI data pipelines, cloud AI-powered real-time data ingestion and cleaning. With AI-powered automation, companies now process months of data work in just minutes. Part 2. AI-powered data analytics and business intelligence. Data analytics is no longer just about looking at past trends, it's about predicting the future. AI is transforming analytics by identifying patterns, making real-time predictions, and automating business intelligence reports. How AI is enhancing data analytics. Predictive and prescriptive analytics. AI forecasts, customer behavior, stock trends, and operational risks. Conversational AI for business intelligence. Users can query AI like, "What was our revenue growth last quarter?" and get instant answers. AI-powered sentiment analysis. AI scans social media, reviews, and news to analyze public sentiment. Automated decision-making. AI generates actionable recommendations, reducing human effort. Key players and cutting-edge technologies. Google BigQuery ML, AI-powered data analytics at cloud scale. Microsoft Fabric AI plus Power BI Copilot, conversational AI for business insights. Amazon QuickSight Q, AI-powered self-service analytics. Tableau GPT plus Einstein AI, Salesforce, AI-driven business intelligence automation. Companies using AI-powered analytics gain a 30 to 50% improvement in decision-making speed and accuracy. Part 3. AI-optimized storage and data retrieval. As data volumes explode, organizations must store information efficiently without slowing down retrieval. AI is automating storage tiering, indexing, and compression, making data storage cheaper, faster, and smarter. AI innovations in storage and retrieval. AI-powered indexing and query optimization reduces data retrieval times by 90%. Automated storage tiering. AI decides whether data should be stored in hot, frequent access, or cold, archival storage. Self-healing data systems. AI detects and corrects storage failures automatically. Vector databases for AI retrieval. Optimized storage for AI search and embeddings. Key players and cutting-edge technologies. NVIDIA Rapids AI plus Dask. GPU accelerated real-time data retrieval. Google Alloy DB AI, AI-enhanced cloud databases. Snowflake Cortex AI, AI-optimized data lake storage. AWS S3 intelligent tiering plus AI, automated storage cost optimization. With AI storage management, organizations reduce storage costs by up to 40% while improving retrieval speeds. Part 4. AI-driven data security and governance. Data security is one of the biggest challenges in AI-driven big data management. As AI models process sensitive information, organizations must ensure privacy, security, and compliance. AI solutions in security and governance. AI-powered anomaly detection. AI spots cyber attacks and fraud in real time. Automated compliance checks. AI ensures GDPR, HIPAA, and CCPA compliance. Data masking and encryption with AI. AI-powered encryption secures sensitive records. Zero-trust AI security frameworks. AI continuously verifies user access. Key players and cutting-edge technologies. Google Chronicle AI Security. AI-powered threat detection. AWS Mechi AI. AI-driven data classification and risk detection. IBM Watson Security AI. AI for enterprise-level cybersecurity. Microsoft Purview AI. AI for data compliance and privacy enforcement. AI-driven security reduces data breach risks by 50–70%, making it essential for modern enterprises. AI is transforming every aspect of big data management, from cleaning and processing to analytics, storage, and security. Companies that embrace AI-powered big data tools will be faster, more efficient, and more competitive. AI is not just helping us manage big data, it's redefining what's possible. If you found this video insightful, like, subscribe, and comment below with how you see AI shaping the future of big data. Thanks for watching.